presenting the Jeep 2013 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 24S, Sunroof soft top, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio, Uconnect 130 AM/FM CD MP3, air conditioning and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.